Hello everyone. Today I will start my discussion. What is fiscal policy in India? Okay. Fiscal policy in India. Okay. Fiscal policy is a guiding force that helps the government decide how much money it should spend to support the economic activity and how much revenue it must earn from the system to keep the wheels of the economy running smoothly. Okay. So that's is a definition of fiscal policy in India. Next. If we say the definition, what is the fiscal policy, then it's a thought the fiscal policy the government of a country controls the flow of tax revenues and public expenditure to navigate the economy. If we discuss about the definition of the fiscal policy, then it's called these things. So let's know something about fiscal policy in India. Fiscal policy in India is the guiding force that helps the government decide how much money it should spend to support the economic activity and how much revenue it must earn from the system to keep the wheels of the economy running smoothly. Okay. In recent times, the importance of fiscal policy has been increasing to achieve economic growth swiftly, both in India and across the world. Attaining rapid economic growth is one of the key goals of fiscal policy formulated by the Government of India. Fiscal policy, along with monetary policy, plays a crucial role in managing a country economy. Okay, so we should go to the next point. So, what is mean by fiscal policy in India? So, we will discuss what is the meaning of fiscal policy in India. Just I am written down some example. Through the fiscal policy, the government of a country controls the flow of tax revenue and public expenditure to navigate the economy. If the government receives more revenue than it spends, it runs a surplus, while if it spends more than the tax and non-tax receipts, it runs a deficit. To meet additional expenditure, the government needs to borrow domestically or from overseas. Alternatively, the government may also choose to draw upon its foreign exchange reserve or print additional money. For example, during an economic downturn, the government may decide to open up its coffers to spend more on building projects, welfare schemes, providing business incentives, etc. The aim is to help make more of productive money available to the people, free up some cash with the people so that they can spend it elsewhere, and encourage business to make investment. At the same time, the government may also decide to tax businesses and people a little less, thereby earning lesser revenue itself. Okay, so now we will go for the objectives. What is the objectives in fiscal policy in India? Okay, there are some objectives. So let's see. First objective, economic growth. Fiscal policy helps maintain the economy's growth rate so that certain economic goals can be achieved. Next point, price stability. It controls the price level of the country so that when the inflation is too high, prices can be regulated. Third point, full employment. It aims to achieve full employment or near full employment. Okay, as a tool to recover from low economic activity. There are the 3 points of the fiscal policy in India. You have to remember these things. First is the economic growth. Second is the price stability. and third point is full employment. They are the three important points, or we say the objectives of fiscal policy. Okay. Next point. What is the difference between fiscal and monetary policy? We know about monetary policy. If you don't understand and what is the monetary policy, then I will discuss in the next class about what is the monetary policy. Okay. The government use both monetary and fiscal policy to meet the country's economic objectives. The central bank of our country mainly administers monetary policy. In India, the monetary policy is under the Reserve Bank of India, or RBI. Monetary policy majorly deals with money, currency and interest rates. Okay. On the other hand, under the fiscal policy, the government deals with taxation and spending by the sector. So, understood what is the difference between fiscal policy and monetary policy? So, let's go to the next point. Now, we will discuss what is the importance. Okay, what is the importance of fiscal policy in India? First point. In a country like India, fiscal policy plays a key role. Okay? Fiscal policy plays a key role in elevating the rate of capital formation both in public and private sectors. Okay? Understood? In a country like India, fiscal policy plays a key role in elevating the rate of capital formation both in public and private sectors. Okay? So let's go to the next point. Through taxation, the fiscal policy helps mobilize considerable amount of resources for financing its numerous projects. Next, fiscal policy also helps in providing stimulus to evaluate the savings rate. Third point, the fiscal policy gives adequate incentives to the private sectors to expand its activities. Fiscal policy aims to minimize the imbalance in the disposable income and wealth. I think you understand what I about to say. There are some importance about fiscal policy. Okay. If you have any doubt about the fiscal policy, so comment here and please like my video and obviously share and subscribe. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and share.